thing about me, I am in love with helping you guys succeed, okay? If somebody didn't help me succeed, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now, and I'm still growing to get to those other levels in life, okay? But I get a thrill out of hearing your success stories and being able to just help people out in general. I really give my all whenever you guys schedule those coaching calls. So thank you guys for scheduling the calls, and to everybody that has been able to get some sort of value out of the call. Thank you guys so much. I really give it my all whenever I do these coaching calls.
How do you find your customers?
Oh, there are several ways you can go about.
When you first get started.
Right. So first of all, who do you want to specialize in? I mean, what do you want to specialize in?
Airbnb.
Okay. So have you ever heard of
an individual as well?
Have you ever heard of Evolve?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I would try looking into Evolve for Airbnbs. It's like a property management software that connects the cleaners with the property managers, the people that have Airbnbs. It connects the two together. Also, try Turnover B&B.
Now, what you say? A turnover?
It's called Turnover B&B. Right? So that's another software that you can use that connects the cleaner with the Airbnb host. Okay? So you can try them. And you can also, in the beginning, just try everything. I always say try everything first, and whatever is working for you, do that. Okay. Because some people say, why do you tell so much and you put it on YouTube? Well, it's because I have a abundance mindset, okay? And I don't have, scarcity doesn't run me. I'm not competition driven or whatever, you know. I really don't, I don't hold anything back. I feel like we all can win, but we all know that only 1% will win, okay? And I want you guys, the people that I'm coaching, to be a part of that 1%. I'm up every day, okay? I do not skip a day. Every day I'm doing something towards my company that has something to do within my business every single day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is Sunday. I'm in my car ordering some food, about to get it in, okay, and do a video, all right, and give my all to you guys. You have to get passionate with your business too, okay? Like when I do my coaching calls, I don't care where I'm at. I'm driving in the car, I'm giving a coaching call. It don't matter. You know, I'm like, oh, I can't do it right now, because if I said that I'm going to do it at 6 o'clock, 7, 8, I try my best to do whatever I say I was going to do at that time, you know, in that moment, because my life is my business. Like, I'll try.
I'm sorry, what about Instagram or Facebook or anything?
Everything. When I say try everything, I mean Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Nextdoor, Care.com, Thumbtack, Yelp. Try everything. Okay. So because you wanna find out what's working for you and what's not. Whatever you're finding customers off of, do more of that. Okay. But everything works. It's just different strokes for different folks. Like some people only like to use Yelp. Some people only like to use they like to run ads and get their clients that way. So everybody's different. You just have to find your niche and your way of getting clients. But in the beginning, you need to be a beast at this. You need to just try everything.
Okay. As far as the number, is it okay for me to have a Google number for customers to contact, or?
Yeah, that's fine. A Google number is free. I started off with a Google number. That's free. It don't get no better than that. I always recommend my newbies to start off with all the free stuff, because the free stuff still works to this day. You know, cold calling to get clients. You can do door-to-door to get clients. You can try the Google number, that's free. Try that. Some people don't like using it because it says the Google number you have reached. You know, the little operator comes on.
Right.
And but don't let that discourage you though. Don't let it discourage you. Like, I mean, the clients are not going to say, oh, she's using the Google number, so I'm not going to shop with her. They're not, clients they're not going to say that. Only we think like that, you know, the cleaning business owners, you know. But it worked perfectly for me in the beginning. I also used a little cheap phone that I got from Walmart in the beginning, you know. So, hey, like, whatever works, I go ahead and do that. But try to keep your costs down very, very low. Okay, because you don't have any accounts right now to pay anything off.
Right.
So you need to keep your costs down real low and do all of the free stuff first. And try to just get in the rhythm of being a new business owner. You know, it's an exciting journey. Okay, embrace it, and every day get in the rhythm of promoting your business every day. You know, whatever Google number you're using, you want to push that number out every day, and just get in the habit of just doing that.
Right. Should I get my LLC, like get that started right away?
I would suggest you go ahead and get the EIN number, go ahead and get the LLC, and get your business license. And you're ready to go. After you get those three things, then you're going to take the information to your bank account. Whoever you decide to bank with, and you're going to open up a business bank account with it.
Okay.
Right.
And I get those three things.
Right. After you get those three things, you want to open up that business bank account, and then after that, you want to get your accounting software. Okay, so you can use Wave because it's free. Once again, I like to go with all the free stuff in the beginning because hell, some people, they say they want to do this cleaning business thing, but they might last, they might not. You know, I've seen people invest money and then, you know, they're excited for a good 2 months, and then after 90 days, they're on to trying to do something else. They're buying a different course and they're interested in something else now. So now you've wasted money. You see what I'm saying? So if you do all the free stuff first and just get in the rhythm of it first, so that way you're not wasting a whole lot of money.
Okay.
Are you struggling with marketing and advertising for your cleaning company? If so, guess what? I just created a free ebook. Yes, a free ebook on 99 ways that you can market and advertise your cleaning company. Okay, I highly suggest that you guys click the link down below and tap into our free ebook. Okay, you can't beat free, you guys. I took my time out. This is my first ebook that I've ever created. Okay, so bear with me. I'm not Shakespeare, but one thing that I do like about this ebook is this is the type of book that I would read. Okay, because a lot of entrepreneurs don't have a lot of time, okay? So I took my time to put together a easy read book that you can go through 99 different tips for advertising and marketing your cleaning company, okay? Right here, click the link down below. Get it. It's free. Why not get it? It is free. Tap in. Let me know how you like it. Bye-bye. This is what I'm doing. I'm very passionate about what I do. And you guys need to be passionate too in your cleaning company. If you want to be a part of that 1%, you got to go hard. Man, I don't have no days off, baby. You have to really, really be passionate about your cleaning company and market your cleaning company every single day. You really do. And I mean, that's how bad you gotta want it. You know, us, we wear conversation starter shirts like this, Airbnb land. Okay, so I had somebody come up to me and ask me, what is Airbnb land? Oh, I'm glad you asked. Okay, it's a conversation starter shirt. I'm a walking billboard every day. I'm not Louis, Gucci, wearing all of this flashy stuff. No, I can't even afford that lifestyle right now. No, I'm not buying it. No, I invest in stuff to help my company grow, okay? And then I put my all into helping other people grow, okay? Because if I help you grow, I feel like if you win, we win. We could work together, okay? We can actually make more money together than apart. Once you start having an abundance mindset like that, you'll understand where I'm coming from, okay? But I wanted to drop this video just to say thank you guys for scheduling your coaching calls. I'm so happy that the knowledge is helping you guys out and is helping you get to another level and it's helping you transform your mindset, man. Have that mindset shift, you know what I'm saying? And even believe in yourself that you can get to being a six-figure earner, because some of y'all belief system is all screwed up. You don't really believe it, because if you really believed it, you'll be working just as hard as I am. You know, when you really believe, you work, you show it. When you really believe, some of y'all don't really believe that you can become a millionaire or a seven-figure earner or a six-figure earner. You don't believe it. That's why you ain't made it there yet. You know, that's why your actions will show what you believe and what you don't believe. You will show it in your actions. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, I'm glad y'all enjoying the videos. I'm glad y'all liking, comment, subscribing down below, and purchasing our merchandise. Shout out to everybody that's got the shirts and the hoodies that we got. Thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. I'll see y'all on the next video. I'm out of here. Peace. Thank you.